Solve 6x squared minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, giving your solutions correct to three significant figures, showing you're working clearly. So, if we've got to solve an equation correct to three significant figures, it suggests that we should be using the quadratic formula. So the general form of a quadratic is ax squared bx plus c is equal to 0. That is going to give that a is 6, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to minus 2. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Substituting in, we're going to get, and be careful, we've got something negative terms here, so minus 3 plus or minus 3 all squared. Now if you don't use brackets there, a lot of students will do minus 3 squared, which becomes minus 9, which is not correct. Minus 4 times a, which is 6, times c, which is minus 2. Again, substituting carefully using brackets, divided by 2 times 6. Minus 3 is 3. The square root, so minus 3 squared is 9. 4 times 6 minus 2 is plus 48, divided by 12, which is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 57 over 12. So, either x is equal to 3 minus the square root of 57 over 12. Now, we're going to use our calculator for this, so use the fraction button, and then write this across in the top, and write this in the numerator, the denominator, and that's going to give you minus 0.379. We need to round to three significant figures so that 1 will have no effect on 9, so the answer will be minus 0.379 to three significant figures, or x is equal to 3 plus root 57 over 12. So on our calculate button, if we use the replay button and scroll back to here and change that minus to a plus, we won't have to write it in again, and that will give me 0.8791, and that one will have no effect on that 9, so it'll give me 0.879 to three significant figures. So x will be equal to minus 0.379, or x is equal to 0.879. So this has been a video to show you how to use the quadratic formula in order to solve an equation correct to three significant figures. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching. Just a gentle reminder, use the fraction button when it comes to the calculator stage.